I am making this video in the break in the middle of my exercise session, all sweaty, urgently, because now I have to make 2 new demands in addition to the 4 main demands that I described very thoroughly that I have from the evil organization last week. You see, I demanded $10 billion compensation. And I said it very clearly that considering everything they've done and how long it was, I could easily ask for more, for 20 or 40, even 80 billion dollars. But I didn't, because I'm not trying to ask for as much as possible, but I'm trying to get a basic amount to compensate me, as I am a modest and reserved person. But you would think that they would respect that and stop assaulting me, because what they have done so far is bad enough, is not just bad enough, it's like really, really bad. I have described it very, very clearly that other people who are not built as well as I am, or who do not have such an extremely loving and caring parent to support them throughout the way, they would have died or lost their lives anyhow. Like they would have their minds would have been broken and the rest of their lives would have been ruined. What they have done so far, I have described it that it wasn't just bad enough, it was extremely bad. And the amount I asked in return was not that large. And you would think that they'd learn their lesson, that they would stay put. But instead, this morning, several minutes before my workout, an unbearable screeching sound of something being really heavy dragged on the floor, on the roof of the building where nobody's supposed to be at all. Brain-destroying sound right before my fucking workout. I demand additional $2.5 billion for that, and for the assholes who are doing this to me every workout days, for them to be punished also.